start with a little story. That was with my niece, my beautiful niece, 8 years old. And I was in the trolley shopping at the supermarket. Something happened. I looked at my niece, she was, oh, look at these tomatoes, oh, look there, oh, look this. I said, honey, where do you think these tomatoes coming from? And she looked at me and said, Tio, but they're coming from the supermarket. I looked at her and said, you cannot definitely go around there and say to people that they're coming from the supermarket and that's it. There's much more than that, honey. Well, this is a good period too, because we just started harvesting from ta-da! Queensland. As you know, we spoke in the last video, it's wintering here. So there is no more tomatoes. The southern part of Australia, we can't grow this fruit anymore. And we're gonna get it from Queensland because it's much warmer than winter. So let's start from the very first, from the beginning, how this works. So let's start. We start with first stage, the very first stage at nursery. Well, before then, we pick up the phone. Hello, I would like to purchase some seeds. And then, boom, show them. You're gonna sow the seeds in these little pots with growing media. After a while, they start to, bing, germinate. When they germinate, these little plants, you can see them, they grow. You give it some water, a little bit of nutrients. You take very good care of them. Within 4 to 6 weeks, they'll be ready for transplanting. Like a child, you know, they're small, you got your baby, and when it's ready to go to school, this first day of school. So second stage, nice, short, brief. It's the transplanting stage. I said already everything. How many times, Nick? 5, 6, 7, 10 times? I love this stage. You get the seedlings. It's coming in these little big trays. And you can transplant it by hand or mechanically. By hand, and I've done it, believe me, it's a pain on your back. And you go like that, boom, you open up, you make a little hole, you put the seedling in there, dum, 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 and one after the other. How end up to be look like this. Bang! Show the picture, Nick, please. And that is when transplanting has been done. Now we pass to stage 3. Next stage, you look after these plants, you fertilize them, you look after the pests, you live at minimum levels, then you're walking along the crop. Bene le mie bambine, bene, ma come crescete bene? When it's reaching the first, we call it first wires, sometimes first wire, this height, you can see already, bang! And there we go, show it, Nick, show it! The first flower set, the first hand. And look how beautiful, yellow and big are these flowers. And that's where the tomatoes are coming from. They form. It's moving on. The next, well, the plants keep growing and keep growing. More flowers are forming. And you can see this one, bang! First picture there, thank you, Nick. And from there, we start develop in size and get bigger and bigger. Like in this, boom, picture here. And they start taking size, which is a very, very good thing. The plant, in the meantime, is grown to a full-size plant. Next stage, boom! I'll show you the picture straight away. That's the best thing. Boom, right there. Plant is full grown. You can see they reach the maximum height. Boom, this picture, Nick, put it on. See the bottom, the fruit is take the size, full size, and they're green, but green mature. So they're not ready yet to be harvested, but we're almost there. Now, what happened? We get to the next stage again. Boom, Nick, show it, beautiful. Look the bottom of the plant. You start seeing fruit that's getting that orangey, reddish color. And the plant's telling you, hey, I'm in full size. Hey, I need your help. You need to harvest. And this is the moment when you look in the plant and going, I'm so excited.
So excited!
The plant is ready, the fruit is ready, you gotta go in it. And then you're going to harvest them, and you harvest them, and you pick them. And bam, Nick, show it what happened to that fruit. Show it, it's going these big beans. Nice fresh tomato, just harvest. You give it a nice bite, and you can feel that nice, sweet acidity that the tomato gives you. Sweet and beautiful. Oh! So this is it, everybody! The video is finished. Now you know how the tomato get to the supermarkets and to the shop. So if you do like the video, please push the like. If you do have any questions, drop it in. I love you. Bye-bye.